That was low-key of a struggle making those scones. I'm not gonna lie. Am I even centered? I don't know, and I do not care right now because that was supposed to be like a 40-minute time. It took me like 2 hours basically. For some reason my scones was not coming out in a dough like consistency. Like I followed everything on the recipe, all the measurements and whatnot. The only thing that I did differently was the butter, and like it said to cut the butter and I didn't know what that meant, so I had to watch a video because I wanted to check to see if my consistency was right, because on the recipe you say you had to knead it, and I was like, this is like a batter, you know, you can't knead this. So I had to watch a video and they kind of showed you how to cut the dough, cut the butter into it. You're supposed to squish it and all that stuff like that. I don't know. So I'm like, that could possibly be the reason why, but then I'm like, I don't know. I mean, it's butter, you know, it's not like it melted into the mixture. It was still solid, kind of. Yeah, no, it wasn't. I added some more flour into the mixture, trying to mix that. It got a little bit thicker, but not as much as like a dough type of thick. So I just laid out my cutting board, put a whole bunch of flour on there, and just kind of poured it out on there. And I prayed to God, please let this work out. And I just kind of like formed it into a circle, you know, with my scone batter. Formed it in the middle, right? It was very sticky, so I had to use a ton of flour to even get it to form and to transfer that onto the parchment paper. And then I realized, oh, I need to separate them. I tried to cut it into pieces, and I tried to also put flour on my knife like I said in the recipe, and that didn't work. Maybe it's just the type of knife I have. I don't know, the flour was not sticking to my knife. So I was just getting a whole bunch of the scone batter on the knife. It was very messy. The recipe tastes very good. I really liked the ingredients that was in the recipe. It tastes really good. But yeah, it was just really sticky. Oh my god, Max found a really big stick outside. So I just sliced them up while it was still whole. I couldn't separate them, and I just put half and half on top of it, and I put it in the oven, and I prayed again to God that hopefully this will work out. The recipe said to put it in there for 13 to 15 minutes. I put it in there for 14 minutes, and when the time was up and I looked at my scones, they were flat and they were still gooey. So I was like, okay, either I can just give up or I could keep trying. So I put it in there for another 15 minutes, and thank God I did, because they turned out really nice. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord, okay? So now I'm gonna try the scones out. I haven't tried them yet since I pulled them out and put the glaze on them. So I think they taste pretty good. You know, this tastes like a pumpkin bread. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's not really a scone. I feel like scones are a little bit more solid or whatnot. But this honestly tastes like a pumpkin bread. But I'm not mad at it at all. They came out good, thank God. Hello everyone, it is Friday, September 30th. It's about the evening time right now. I'm about to log off of work. I didn't do much today because I was just kind of low-key drained. I get pretty drained some weeks, other weeks I'm just fine. But on the weeks that I do feel drained, I just take my weekends kind of slow, like on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Also, if I sound kind of weird, I had switched into my new trays for my Invisalign. I might not even upload this clip if I just sound so weird. But yeah, but I took today slow because I just wanted to recharge and just relax. But anywho, I received some more fall decor, not too much. I have purchased some things off of Bed Bath and Beyond. I always get them confused with Bath and Body Works, but Bed Bath and Beyond was having a sale for their fall decor, so I got a couple things and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is this stack of wood. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but it's actually pretty big. And then I thought that it was fake wood, but it kind of feels real, but I think it's fake, but I don't really know. So my mom moved it right here. I originally had it right over there. Like, let me show you how I had it. So I kind of had it like this a little bit. Maybe kind of do it like that. Kind of like that. I think I'm going to add something else to this area too. But I think it looks super cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a doormat. And oh goodness, it's so dark. It's so dark in here. I have to kind of turn this way. But yeah, I got this doormat right. And I had opened it on the pool table and it shed so much. Like, oh my gosh, it was just unbelievable how much it shed. And it kind of smells good too. Kind of smells like a new car. But I wanted to get a new doormat because the doormat that I got off of Amazon is kind of small, you know. Kind of wanted something a little bit bigger. And it says welcome with pumpkins on it. I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna first put it outside so that way the shedding won't get too much in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's a little bit cuter. A little bit bigger too than the other ones. Last two things that I got are for the kitchen. So I got some kitchen towels. This one says give thanks. This one's just plaid. And then lastly, I just got this cute pumpkin jar. Like, you can put cookies in here, candy. I kind of want to put dog treats in there, but my dad is kind of against it, but I might get another one. So those are the recent fall decor. So that's what I recently got as for decor for fall. I might most likely get more, you know. I don't want to go overboard like how we do Christmas time. But, you know, if I see cute pieces that I mean not cute pieces, if I see cute items that I like and I feel like will kind of go with the theme that I'm going with, which is, I don't know what theme I'm going with. I just want everything to kind of look cohesive, you know, then I'll get it. I don't have much planned for today. It's just me, Jamie, and Deuce at the house right now. My parents went up to the lake house and they took the other 3 dogs with them. So me and Jamie were originally going to go see Odessa tomorrow, but their concert kind of got canceled or postponed. So now I think we're just going to hang out with the friend group tomorrow. But for tonight, I was going to cook, but then I was like, I'm not motivated to cook at all. So instead, I'm just going to bake these Halloween cookies. I found this on my grocery store and I thought they were super cute. And the new Hocus Pocus is coming out tonight. I think on Disney Plus. I need to make sure, but I kind of convinced Jamie to watch that with me. So hopefully I can watch that tonight. If not, then me and Jamie are just gonna watch the new Star Wars show, Andor.